Hey everyone, welcome to the theenggprojects.com. In this video tutorial I am going to tell you about the exception handling. For example, you have create any program and you have to say to user to enter the numeric values, but they will enter the alphabetic values. Then what your program will do, you have to properly handle your exception and errors. So for that you C# programming will provide you the exception handling functionality. The basic syntax of function handling is that first you have to write try, and in these curly braces you have to write your code which you want to test, and then you have to write catch, and in these curly braces you have to write that code which will perform on any error occurring. So for example, in these parentheses you have to take the exception object and pass the type of exception. For example, here is the code. I am going to show you the error, which is anything divided by 0 is infinity, and this is the error in this program. So this catch block will handle that. I will try this code and the catch will find and get the exception error. In the parentheses I have used the exception object system.exception, and ex is the object of that library file, and when the any error will occur, this line of code will be executed and the finally will be executed in the last. So for first time I will neglect the final block and execute the program. Okay, now output is this exception catch. Here details, the details are system.divide by 0 exception. It's mean anything divided by 0 is error. It's become error in the program, so we have already handled that. But if I will not divide 100 by 0, then what happened? See, the result is 100. It's mean the program is accurate. But if I will divide it by 0, it will cause an error, because anything divided by 0 is infinity, and this is the major error in this program. So I have handled that with the try catch block. This is called exception handling. You can do this in your applications to improve the quality of your application and softwares.